Mahapa, dear friends. It's always nice to be back home. Although Joy has introduced my colleagues, I still need to introduce them again. So, Mr. Serrano, my colleague, and also the two directors from the development organization, Debe and Sina, we bring you joy and greetings from Holyland, especially from the Universal House of Justice. When the teaching center met with the House of Justice recently, they said, assure the friends of our prayers in the holy shrines for the success of your deliberations during the gathering and what will follow thereafter. So as you also go back to the field, you go with the prayers of the Universal House of Justice. Also, receive greetings and prayers from the International Teaching Center. Since these gatherings were announced, Teaching Center has been going to the shrines every Monday, and we have been offering prayers for you. So hopefully, all what we shall do during the conference and thereafter will be accompanied by these prayers. Many thanks to the National Spiritual Assembly of Kenya for arranging this institutional gathering and making us all feel welcome. The way things have been arranged, the way we have been treated, the way we are eating, the way we are doing things, it's all because of the arrangements that the National Assembly has made. So as Joy said, we see your radiant faces despite the long distances, particularly from the friends from Uganda. We understood you arrived this morning. For your information, 4 gatherings like these ones have already happened last week. And as we are having ours here, another 3 are happening. And we shall have another 34 that will happen until mid of May.